Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Learn Arabic with me, Mona. In today's lesson, we will start studying the Arabic alphabet letter by letter to learn how to read and write in Arabic language. And we will start by the letter Alif. The first letter in Arabic alphabet is Alif. So this is Alif, and it is a straight line. And this is Hamza. This is small symbol called Hamza. We can write Alif letter with or without Hamza according to some grammar. They are not our topic today. But I want you to know that we can write it with or without Hamza. So this is Alif. As we mentioned in the short vowels lesson, short vowels in Arabic language are signs, and they are fatha, kasra, and dhamma. We will apply these signs on the letter Alif and know how to pronounce it with each sign and take examples. Alif fatha. It is pronounced like a. So Alif fatha is a. Examples for Alif fatha: Asad, Asad, which is lion. Arnab, Arnab, a rabbit. Ananas, ananas, pineapples. It is not very critical to memorize all these words, but it is very important to know how to read Alif letter and to memorize its shape and pronunciation in the word. So Alif Fatha is a, a, a. Fatha is a diagonal stroke written above the letter. Alif Fatha in each word is written in black. Again, read with me and notice the black letter, which is Alif Fatha. Asad, Asad. Arnab, Arnab, Arnab. Ananas, Ananas. Please repeat after me. Asad, Arnab, Ananas. Now, let's move to Kasra. So, this is Alif with no haraka, no fatha, no dhamma, no kasra. And this is Alif with fatha. Fatha is a diagonal stroke written above the letter. We mentioned this in the short vowels lesson. Kasra is a diagonal stroke written below the letter. So it is logic that this is Alif Kasra. But no, you can't write Alif Kasra like this. It's completely wrong in Arabic. It's meaningless. So, how to write Alif Kasra? When you write Alif Kasra, we will move the Hamza from top to bottom and write Kasra. We move the Hamza from top to bottom and write Kasra. So, Alif Kasra can be written like this or like that. And it is pronounced like E, E, E. Even when you don't write the Kasra, moving the Hamza from top to bottom is enough to know that the pronunciation is E, E. Okay, let's take example on Alif Kasra. يوزع يوزع goes إنسان إنسان human being إبرة إبرة which is needle. Again, I remind you that you don't have to memorize all these words, but you have to know how to read and write Alif with Fatha and Kasra. Again, the straight line with Hamza below it means that this is Alif Kasra, which is E, E. Repeat after me. يوزع يوزع يوزع. Notice the black letter in the word, which is E. إنسان إنسان. Repeat after me. إبرة إبرة. Let's move to ضمة. This is Alif letter. If we add ضمة, which is apostrophe-like shape above the letter, it will be U, U. I'm sorry for this. Alif ضمة is U, U. Let's take examples on Alif ضمة. أذن أذن ear. أرز أرز rice. أم أم mother. Repeat after me. أذن أذن Its spelling is ألف ضمة ذال ضمة نون. أذن أذن. I'm sorry, the dhamma comes over the dot of the letter dal. أرز أرز أرز. أم أم أم. Now we will move to the position of the letter Alif in the word and how to write it in each position. At the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, and at the end of the word. In the beginning of the word, Alif letter is written like its separate form. Like in the word Asad, Asad. Line. Note that Alif letter can't be connected to any letter comes after it. It remains separate. In the middle of the word, it will be like that. It will have hand. It will be connected to the letter that comes before, but not after. Never forget. Like in the word يسأل, يسأل. Note that Alif letter comes connected to the letter that comes before, which is seen, but not connected to the letter that comes after, which is lam. يسأل, يسأل. Ask. Alif letter never connected to the letter that comes after because Alif letter is a naughty letter. What if a naughty letter comes before Alif letter? The same will happen. The naughty letter will not connected to the letter that comes after. There are 6 naughty letters in Arabic language. Ra letter is one of them. So, in the middle of the word, Alif letter can come like that. In what cases? If a naughty letter comes before it, like in the word رأي, رأي. Ra letter is a naughty letter, so it never connected to the letters that comes after. Alif letter is a naughty letter, so it never connected to the letters that comes after. Ra'i is opinion. At the end of the word, Alif letter could come in this form. Like the word خطأ, خطأ. It come connected to the letters that comes before. خطأ is error, error. Also, Alif letter at the end of the word can come in this form. like separate form. It can come like this if there is a naughty letter before it, like in the word يقرأ. يقرأ. In this word, Alif letter comes after Ra letter. Ra is a naughty letter also. It never connected to the letters that comes after. So Alif letter comes like this, separate. يقرأ is read, read. To recap, Alif letter is a naughty letter. Naughty letters in Arabic language are 6 letters. We will discuss them as we are going on in lessons. But you have to know that naughty letters never connected to the letters that comes after it. So, at the beginning of the word, Alif letter become in its separate form. In the middle of the word, Alif letter can come in its connected form if a normal letter comes before it, and can comes in separate form if a naughty letter like Ra letter comes before it. At the end of the word, Alif letter can come at its connected form if a normal letter comes before it, and can come in its separate form if a naughty letter like Ra letter in the word يقرأ come before it. Now, I want you to notice the word رأي. رأي. Let's spell it together. را فتحة را را. ألف سكون أ أ. راء راء. يا رأي رأي. I want you to notice the sign above the Alif letter. It's a small circle. This is called Sukun. Sukun. Sukun is not a short vowel, is not a haraka. Sukun is a sign that tells you to pronounce the letter without any haraka. It is not a, it is not e, it is not u. It is just a, a, a. رأي رأي. So we covered the Alif letter and how to write it and how to pronounce it with fatha and kasra and dhamma and sukun. And we cover how to write it in different positions in the word. Now let's move to the homework. Your homework is to write the word Asad. Asad. Write the word Asad in the comments and tell me what Asad means. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Wait more lessons.